Sledgehammer, welcome in, Sledgehammer.
Yeah, Christina is a good.
Give your bush a taper fade? Dude, that would be sick, would it not? A bush taper fade? Chance it would, man. It would be so sick.
Let's go.
Crack my eggs?
She said she's making fun of you because you said you're a chef and you only had a crack your eggs.
Sorry.
Oh god. Okay, they're good. Dude, Simba doesn't play around.
Oh, l'ho fatto qua, fra, in live. Scusate.
Natty, yes I am, mate. Get some mayo.
See? Shift. Guys, if you guys are in here, type in where you out from in the chat. It's still dark over there. You said weekend battle?
Ooh. Oh.
Thank you, John.
Full of blood. And I can tell the difference, like I've just been doing.
Excuse me, sorry.